So we've been driving literally like 30 minutes already since we came into the entrance of this private road, or this private access road, I guess you would call it. And we're still rolling. Oh, deep in here, no phone signal. What is that? An old restaurant? A restroom? A ranger station?
Cabin.
A cabin?
It's like a little cabin.
No, this is an old government office. Something's going on here. Something is here. It'd be cool if it was like for hikers to come in and chill. This is really, really nice. Really nice. So we hit a cemented area, and there's a construction site up here, and we've been driving an hour to get here now. And you guys see, this is a closed construction area. There's nobody here. It's all locked down, and we hit another gate. And yeah, we're here. This area is
Monitored by cameras.
So we'll call you.
Like some Secret Service.
Secret Service shit, though.
Yeah.
It's weird because look, there's a Corvette over there, and there's a house.
A Corvette.
You see, yeah, you see the Corvette over there.
Someone rich probably.
So it takes. This is a private road here.
Yes, that is.
Hey, there's angle iron right there. You think we could keep it?
The what?
Angle iron?
When on the way back, we just grab it. I mean,
You think maybe El Chapo's probably living in that house?
yeah, El Chapo.
El Chapo's wildlife prison.
We found El Chapo's fucking prison.
Living lavish still.
Living lavish. Driving for another 30 minutes, so now we're like an hour and a half into it, and we're still not there. And we're in another trail, and this area is restricted. This is where they say no trespassers are allowed, $10,000 fine. There's all kinds of warnings all over. I doubt anybody respects it, but to get up here, it's very far. And there's nowhere to park your vehicle, so you have to walk out here and hike. And I don't know if too many hikers are going to do that. This is the only road here in private land, private, owned by the LA County Public Works and the U.S. Forestry Department. So this is a really nice trail, bro, if it's open to the public for you to walk.
Yeah.
You know? But I think that they're probably worried about these rocks that come down.
Yeah.
And people getting hurt, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, I'm here, but do you think if you have to get a rotator up here? Ever?
Oh, no.
No.
I ain't coming up here with no rotator.
With the 6x6, yeah.
Yeah, we'll bring the 6x6 up here.
Yeah.
But we don't need the 6x6. What do you need the 6x6? Does? Whatever the 6x6 can do, this truck can do.
Yeah.
Once we put the super signals on it, this thing's gonna be a beast, homie.
This one?
Yeah.
You're gonna put super signals?
Yeah, yeah. There should be here like in another 3
What are
weeks.
super signals? What are they?
Like the ones on the military truck.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I bought the whole kit, so it should be here. I bought it from DBL Designs in Texas. So we've been driving already about an hour and 50 minutes.
Because we started to see deer.
And we already seen that wildlife, matter of fact. And
Oh,
wow.
look at this creek right here.
Okay, guys, this is going to be a twisting effect here.
It's like a trifecta.
Trifecta. Wow. Yeah, we're not halfway through, would have been stuck there. Way down there, we had a little poo-poo incident. We crashed the Veda. We were driving and this fool was inside the truck and he's navigating and he hit this, trying to get this footage right here, and he hit this tree and it rolled down. We found the battery, so the drone is way more down there. Have you looked inside those bushes?
I'm trying to, but he told me not to move because he's rolling down and rocks are coming.
Homie, that drone's gonna be right by where he found the battery.
Right over there, huh?
Yes.
Hey, Joe. I'm coming down.
Hold on.
Did you look around the bushes where you found the battery?
Yeah, I already looked right there.
Because you said it was you could see it and then it just lost signal, right?
Yeah.
So right there where the battery disc, where you found the battery, that's where it's gonna be at somewhere.
I already checked right there, but all right, I'll double check again.
Well, why don't you just gonna go down there and check?
All right, well, Chris, when he comes down, it irritates the rocks, and all the big ass rocks are falling down.
Okay.
So just
Yo sé bien que estoy afuera.
And we got the customer with us, and he's way up there right now. And we're over here dicking around. This is a brand new truck, guys. 2024. It's got 300 miles. Literally, it's third time out, and all 3 times it's been out, it's been off-roading. We are going to talk about this truck a little bit. We're going to go and put super singles on it. By DBL Designs. We are waiting for the kit. The fenders, we're putting a brand new bumper on it with a winch. Super singles, the big military tires. Something that we messed up on when we were building it. We didn't put riggers on it. So we're gonna go and install our own. We already got a set made. And we're gonna remove all this and put them right here. And there's not gonna be more sling. We don't need a sling. A sling with the underlift. And this truck, we built it for strictly to do this stuff. We have a lot of customers that obviously do these kind of things. Brand new. This guy's way down there. You see him? We had to use the winch with a kit to get down there. Oh, we found the drone after a 1-hour adventure, and it rolled like 300 feet down. It almost got to the river, to the water down there. And according to Angel, it almost landed down there. And the customer's a little bit upset with us because he thinks we're over here horse playing and fucking around, and he's getting charged by the hour. Hey, what's going on over there, homie? Hey, do you guys sleep like that? It's not crack, homie. Don't try to catch it. Oh yeah.
Not always is. Every job site. Let's go. Right there, hold it right there. All right.
Hold it. Hold yourself.
I got it. You got it? Oh.
Hold yourself.
You go out first.
You go up first. Hold on. Ah.
I got it.
No, here.
There we go. Got it?
Yeah.
It's time to deliver the package.
Hey.
Found the drone. Hey. And it survived it. This is like the 5th time we wrecked this thing, bro.
Always doing some Mission Impossible shit.
There you go.
Look at behind me.
Hey, you know I lost the knife, right, boss?
Yeah, you told me.
Yeah. And guess what? I found my $200 fire coat.
Fuck. Whoever sold you that for $200 ripped you off. Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Not spider coat. These are.
So I guess he takes care of all the power lines, bro. That's what he does.
Yeah.
He
All the
makes sure
transmitters, huh?
he checks them, make sure they're not corroding, and there's nobody came and mess with them. He checks the structures. That's his job.
Oh, okay.
And he checks all the. That's what he does. He climbs down to them, like those right there.
Yeah.
He climbs up or climbs down to them, and he takes care of them. And that's his job to like.
He
If
has
something's messed up, like a cable or
with
something.
this big rock.
Yeah. And then, so that's what he does.
Yeah.
When I was talking to him. So. Damn. You know, we would be flying through this right now, but we can't trust Angel.
No, he's not ready to become a pilot. A drone pilot.
You down, Joe? You know what, bro? If we would have been without this guy, I would have told you to fly again.
Yeah.
But if we crash again, bro, we're gonna lose the drone.
Yeah. Well,
He's gonna get upset.
we'll recover it again. That's
No,
what
but
we
he's
do.
gonna get upset that we're stopping.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna complain that, you know, these guys are fucking dicking around, charging us fucking $500 an hour.
Well, I mean, he's still gonna get charged $500 an hour.
Left, Javier.
Huh?
Look at the lake to the left.
Oh man, that's nice.
Oh shit.
What a view.
That's the same one that we passed by.
I don't know why it's more beautiful than that.
Yeah, you know, you could tell this guy's gonna get. We stop and shit. He's gonna
Ah,
be
if
like,
every time we stop, we slow down, he gets paranoid.
he's like, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah.
Like, are these
He
guys?
told me, hey, was that you? You just stuck your hand out and the drone flew out of the window of the truck. I said, that was us.
So he's watching us.
I guess he was watching us through the mirror, but he realized that something was wrong when he drove 30 minutes and we
What
were
the fuck?
behind
He
him.
drove 30
He
minutes?
drove 30 minutes though.
So he was
had to
already...
turn around.
Oh shit.
He drove 30 minutes. Like, wait a minute. These guys have not been following me.
Yeah. He's like, I thought you guys just said, fuck it, we're not coming up here. I said, oh no, we gotta come get this truck, bro.
But we gotta get some footage.
I told him, but
We
gotta
love adventures. We love adventures.
So guys, I think this guy doesn't even know where he's going.
Because we've been on the road for another 45 minutes.
We've been on the road for more than 45 minutes.
This has been like bro, we've been on this thing for like over 3.5 hours.
We would have been in Bakersfield already.
No.
You know why though, right?
Why?
Because his trick is like Woody's towards Luis. He tells him it's a close call, so then that way he goes and runs it.
Yes.
But when he's there already at the call, he's like, hey bro, you have to take it all the way to Barstow. And he's like, son of a bitch, you know? So if he would have told us that this call was fucking 6 hours away, he knew we were gonna turn it down.
I think he told me, bro, but I thought he was playing when he said that this is gonna take us about 6-7 hours.
It's crazy.
And I'm like, 6 or 7 hours in a trail? Where are we going? Utah?
Right? Arizona?
Oh shit.
But,
you know, I mean, I guess because we're not going at a high speed.
Yeah.
And we, you know.
And we're going in circles, not circles, but escalating the mountain.
So you think
this trail is just exactly like that trail in 81 The Falls, you know?
Yeah.
But it's
true.
Small. Yeah.
It's true. It's almost the same thing.
So he was telling me that this trail, the fire department, like when they firefighters use it, you know, yeah, this is a trail for that. It's called Rincon Box Fire Trail, something like that. Something like that. We gotta look that up. And yeah, right here, it's gonna be a little mission. Because we're gonna have to definitely clean this up when we come back.
Yes, sir.
Because yeah, over here too. How close are we to the trail right here?
Okay. You could go that way. Yeah.
No, but on the way back, because remember we're towing the truck back.
Yes, I know.
Do you think maybe we should have brought the street sweeper?
Street sweeper?
Yeah, we have a street sweeper.
For what?
To clean the streets.
Oh my gosh. Just slap yourself, Angel.
Just slap yourself, Angel. Oh, right here, bro. Over here. How close can I get over here?
You're good.
We're good. We're good. Amazing. Amazing.
But we're good.
Damn, I can't believe I left the drone on the boom.
It
would have been funny that you rescue the drone, you go down 300 feet to rescue the drone, and then I just run it over.
I would have slapped myself. No, because I said the drone's on the boom.
No.
Who did
I said it loud.
You said it to yourself because nobody was listening to you.
Well, of course not. Nobody listens to me. Everybody fucking ignores me. Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Everybody thinks I don't know nothing. Yeah. But I rescued it.
Oh, we found it.
He said, wait. You gotta go slow right here. You gotta go slow, yeah.
That's a big dip.
Yeah.
Big old dip.
Down with the truck.
No, it's not.
Just drag the fucking truck out of here.
Drag it.
Would have been best not.
Homie, I rescued a truck in the mountains over there in Menifee.
Yeah.
And the trail was about an hour and a half drive up there.
Mm-hmm.
And the trail, bro, I don't know how we got a tow truck in there. Right?
Yeah.
I don't even know how they got that truck up there.
Oh, I don't know how we got.
Because we had to go up there, and the trail was built for like razors, bro.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it was real thin.
Real angosto.
Yeah, and we were riding literally on top of the mountain and on top of the sidewalk.
Damn.
Of the mountain. On the edge.
In Spanish?
And the truck was off the cliff.
Wow.
It was a brand new F450. And that truck that destroyed it, bro. in one day.
Yeah. Well, I don't know how me and Tony got that big old heavy one up there and no kills. The roads are like this.
I know. Wait, and it was raining, remember? The snow?
Yeah, it was snow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That is crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Ah, wait, nomás le pongo en 4x4. Okay.
So guys, we reached an area where it's snowing. So it started coming down hard. And it was nice. The weather was just cold. But now, I think we're really high now. And
Oh yeah, we are.
it's raining now. You can see the snow coming down. And this truck does have snow chains. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about it getting really muddy. And holy mother macaroni. And we had to change the customer's tire. He got a flat. You know, that's another thing. There's a lot of boulders and sharp rocks here, and it punctured his front tire. That's a danger, you know, that we need to recognize as we're coming up here, and there's nobody to come up here and help us. Oh my goodness, man, it's coming down hard. You see this shit?
Yeah.
That's what he was talking about. We need to get up here quick. We're over there horsing around. Now we understand. You see, guys?
Yes.
You guys don't follow instructions. Holy smoke, guys. I'm holding the drone in my hand because, I mean, oh my God, this is not good.
Hold on, bro.
That shit just fell right now?
No, it was already there. He sent me a picture of it.
We gotta move it.
Can we move it?
Yes, we have to.
Go down there and move it? Yeah. See, guys? Huh? Huh? Yeah, he sent me a picture of that little situation right there. Oh, goodness. See, another little situation here. Let me close this window, man. I'm getting all poured up. Here, can you just hold the drone?
Sure.
Hold on, bro. You're not even doing nothing, bro.
Yes, I am.
You're not even. You see that the window's fogging up. You don't even put the window.
I don't know how to operate this UFO.
Come on, man. It's the same thing as the UFO that you drive.
I know, but mine's better.
Oh. Okay, guys. Is it coming up? Is it working?
Yeah, now it is.
I mean, why did you take it off? Don't take it. It's got to go up. Up the window.
I didn't take nothing out.
What did you did?
Why did you take
You
off?
calling me a liar?
Javier, with all my respect, yes. have a fruit, man.
Hold on.
Stop. You're gonna bottom out right there.
No.
Here, turn this camera off.
We are. All right, guys. We are finally here. So I got to back down. I've been backing up here for a bit. And because there's no way to turn around. This is the only turnout. And I'm going to turn around. Back up. All the way down to the Dodge. It's a brand new Dodge, 2024. And the customer, I guess he hit a boulder and he broke the tranny. So the plan is to just hook up to it and let's go. Hopefully nobody vandalized it. Nobody should have vandalized it because nobody should be back here.
I don't even think.
And if anybody's back here, is it just that fucking person is crazy.
I don't even think I was big for one of that truck.
keys. You should have gave me the keys, but I don't even think there's keys.
Here.
Hold on. You gotta get off, dog. This big old branch is in my way. Okay.
You have wheels on you?
No.
Well, we got some wildlife in sight. Look at him, he's hungry. Come on, Bambi. Bambi. Go down the cliff, Bambi. It's okay, baby. Ride along with us.
Bambi?
Yeah, Bambi, we're giving you the green light.
There you go.
Wow. Amazing. Wow.
Like always, no gloves.
Oh yeah, that's longer, bro.
What's going on? Homie, wrap it around the A-arm. There you go again, crashing shit.
How did you do, Javier, with the rocks and everything, man? Got around them, huh?
Yeah, I just went around.
Wow.
Hopefully we can get a flat.
Yeah, man, it's just, I think it's just look of the draw.
Yeah.
There's a lot of sharp little rocks. I didn't think those little ones would have done it.
Yeah.
I would have thought it was the bigger ones.
But these are like 16 ply, so the tire's a little bit thicker.
Yeah.
Go! Take the brake off.
We pulled that lever.
Open the ignition. Huh?
That lever's out. Yeah.
Is it on neutral?
Well, there is no neutral. You can't put it on neutral because the transmission fluid went out. So it automatically puts it in park.
Huh?
It's got the brake lever.
The bike pass. It's the bypass for the park. So
So-
it should be neutral.
You know, brake is on.
No, the brake is not on. There shouldn't be a brake on. Let me see.
If not, we're gonna have to fucking tow it from the rear.
See, this is on. That's off. Okay, now
It's
maybe
off,
that's what
right?
happened.
Yeah. And we want to tow it from the front, guys, because there's so many dips that I want to make sure I cause more damage to the oil pan or anything. No. No. It's still on park. Close the door. Close the doors and roll the window down, maybe. Because también that could be a problem.
You know what he told me to? Just hold it, like pull it and hold it.
Oh, so then if we're gonna have to hold it,
all the way.
we're gonna have to rear tow it.
Okay.
Yeah, I
'Cause we
think that's what I did. But I don't know. I thought it was really actually.
Let me see. No?
Maybe like that. There you go.
Right there, put the tire straight. Don't hit the brake. Right there. Ahí. Put the tire straight. I'll go into it. Ahí déjalo, güey.
If I honk at you, it's because I'm gonna see that the tires are locked in the back.
Okay, no, I'll notice
You'll
it.
know? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, because it'll drag me.
Yeah.
Okay, let me, I'm gonna back up into it. So I'm gonna back up into it. Abre los de estos, güey, un poquito más. Yeah, we don't need this. Okay. Supposed to open that way.
Well, I didn't know how far, dog.
Hold on. Esto los puedes abrir, güey. Esto lo abres
Oh,
y los... You see?
okay.
Yeah. Ahí te va, let me. Si este lo abres, güey. ¿Sí?
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Gotta open it one, dog. Gotta open it one.
Yes. What's wrong? You okay?
Yeah. The fuck you mean I'm okay?
Why you gotta talk to him like he's a fucking kid, dude? What the fuck?
Okay, let's go. Put the 2 straps and let's get the fuck out of here. There's straps right here, brand new. Johnny! Johnny! Johnny!
You fucked up right now.
Jordan! Close the window, Jordan, because...
Tell me you didn't try to bribe that guy.
So guys, I don't know how worthy this video is, but we are going to post it. We are going to post it. It's beautiful up here. I don't know. I think that this doesn't go here.
How are you supposed to lock it? It goes there.
But this can bang on the side of the car. Hold on. Yeah. And that's not the way it goes.
How does it go?
You wrap it, but whatever. Go ahead.
Ahí?
Yeah. I think there's another. Ah. What's up?
You do need to lock these in.
Why?
Cause
No, there's no way.
Not gonna slide?
No, you have to lock these in. You see that?
Uh-huh. So I mean they're not locked.
They're gonna lock. If it tries to go down, it's gonna lock on its own. Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Close that window, my boy.
Hey, I flew the drone through the window.
You did? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, Yanni.
Jordan! Are you fucked up right now?
Close the mirrors. And let's go. Let's go. And we're done, guys. Guys, this is it's pouring. A lot of mud, slides. The truck keeps sliding. And, it's getting a little pretty dangerous. Come here, Bambi. It's a long way down, long way down. is getting very dangerous. It's pouring, and we're still very far, and we're trying to get a lot of mudslides. The truck that we're hauling already has 2 flats because, you know, the thin tires, the rocks are very sharp. But as you guys can see, it's getting very, very bad. The rain is coming down hard. Hard. I think we just hit a mudslide because that wasn't there. That just came down as we're coming in. So we gotta be very careful because it's a long way down. Holy smoke. I think that truck's gonna end up coming off the cliff. Yeah. No, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ride it. Holy smoke. No, I got it. Don't worry. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. You can breathe easy now. You can breathe easy. Is it moving or is it just dragging? Huh? Kick it down. You have to pull it from right here. Got it in?
I got it out.
Okay, the other side too. Ahí déjalo nomás, güey. Atrás.
Like to lock this in? The pavement?
I don't know. ¿No entra?
Not even lined up.
No. You'll line up somehow. Let's go.
I think this is this one.
Let's go. Let's go, homie. I'll put the truck up. Oh, we don't have to. What?
The steering wheel?
I'll tie it.
Huh?
I'll tie the wheel, homie.
Alright. You lose, buddy.